This is Paul. Yes. Mm. Let's see here. Knowingly and willfully making or causing to be made false statements in an application for benefits. Yes. Or for purposes of determining rights to payment.
Yeah.
That would be a mental health evaluation.
Yeah.
Fraudulent or abusive conduct on the part of courts.
Yes.
Concealing or failing to disclose knowledge of the occurrence of any event affecting a person's right to any benefit or payment.
Yes.
With the intent to fraudulently secure such benefit or payment in the amount greater than is due.
Yes.
When submitting a claim on behalf of another, that would be the Clallam County Jail.
Yes.
Or Jefferson County Jail. Knowingly converting payments to the use and benefit of an individual other than the one for whom the person was acting.
Yeah.
Now, I think that Medicaid has a reimbursement policy for each and every judiciary of the state.
Yeah.
Where you say, well, I'm going to have to pay for it, but you actually get reimbursed. I don't think it's a part of the budget of each of the states.
No.
Their individual courts. Because it would fall on the shoulders of the defendant.
Yes.
And the defendant being in jail, if they had their own insurance,
Yes.
they could probably afford their own attorney. So, now, the law sets forth criminal sanctions for knowingly and willfully charging Medicaid a rate in excess of state established rate, conditioning a Medicaid patient stay at jail or prison upon receiving consideration in addition to the Medicaid payments. Willfully and repeatedly violating terms of Medicare assignment. Now, the law provides for substantial criminal penalties upon conviction of any violation.
Yeah.
That would be Judge Porter, Judge Landis,
Yes.
prosecuting attorney's office in Jefferson County and in Clallam County.
Yes.
For conduct determined to be a felony. So you get 5 years or fine up to $25,000 or both.
Yeah.
Now, I know you said that I needed to have a 1077. I said I was not guilty. You said that I missed an arraignment.
Yes.
But the arraignment date was the 21st of August.
Yes.
I did research. But you said my address was a fictitious name and address, 1023 Kitchen Dick Road. When being arraigned, I asked Judge Landis, where'd you send the notice? Oh, fictitious name and address.
Right.
I didn't miss the arraignment date.
Yes.
I did not get notice of the court hearing. Now we have what's known as aiding and abetting.
Yes.
Complicit in, accessory to,
Yes.
before and after the fact,
Right.
now. And then there are the principals known as the employees of Clallam County.
Yes.
That wouldn't remove 1023 Kitchen Dick Road from the notices and put homeless Port Angeles, Washington. Now, for every cop,
Yes.
you could get a few years for this.
Oh. Yes.
See, you're an accessory to Medicare and Medicaid fraud.
Pooh.
And when you use mental health evaluations to misprison your false arrests and false imprisonment,
Yes.
you committed a crime that can get you a few years in prison. Well, you can, officer. Now, I'm just documenting the lawsuit.
Yes.
It's going to be this QTAM.
Yes.
On the part of the citizens of the United States, the equal protections of the law. Then it's going to be a class action for all the unnecessary mental health evaluations.
Yes.
Well, you didn't want the police to go to prison for police brutality.
Yeah.
And then it's going to be all the professional people of each and every state.
Yes.
That wrote one of these mental health evaluations without saying the individual was sane.
Yes.
Now, there is this prejudice and bias when doing mental health evaluations of the professional persons of each and every state. To make it look like the individual is incompetent to stand trial when they are competent.
Oh.
See, it's good for the business of the professional person's opinion from the mental health industry standpoint that receives their compensation from Medicaid and Medicare. Now, Phyllis can go to prison for this, for writing a mental health evaluation where I'm prescriptory delusional. I informed her of child abuse.
Yes.
My sons are in the wrong grades, and as far as I know, they're in the Quilcene School District. That's right. I showed her the forgery of the ex officio Superior Court clerk. Yes. She said I was persecutory delusional. I told her that I thought I had the evidence that I was innocent.